how inflation is eating up your money, and what are the types of inflation which you have not even heard of, but which is but you would have experienced. So hi, hello, this is Ganesh Through, your stock market profit coach and author of the book One Page Stock Market Plan. I help in multiplying your money by investing in stock market. And today's topic is inflation, explaining the inflation in an easy manner so that you know why this is very critical factor when it comes to investing in stock market. Okay, what is inflation? The increase in price of the product, what you bought last year, and right now it has increased maybe 10% or 5%. That is inflation. Generally, inflation is good so that you can get increase in salary, so that you, if you are a business person, you will be getting increase in the profit, right? And the cost of why there is inflation coming up. Say there is an increase in the raw material cost, right? And the mining cost is increasing because the goods needs to come from the foreign market. From it has to be imported means it will have a huge increase in the cost. And along with that, because of COVID, the import has been restricted and there is a lesser input raw material available. And now you need these products because of the critical condition right now. Now the cost of the product may go from 100 rupees to 200 rupees. Exact product whatever you got 6 months back or 1 year back is available at 200 rupees because of the inflation, because of the increase in the raw material products. And I had seen the paper industry has seen 50% increase in input cost, and plastic industry, they had seen almost 100% increase in the input cost. And all the many people had seen increase the petroleum related products, they had seen increase because if you look at inflation is in India, we are importing almost 95% of the petrol, and because of that inflation is increasing. If you look at the vegetable cost, fruits cost, and chicken, all these, and the chickens, the proteins, that is a protein ball, all non-vegetarian people will have, right? The cost of all these products has increased in the last COVID. And remember, whenever the product cost is increasing from 50 rupees to 70 rupees, it's not going to come back to 50 rupees. It may come from 70 to 60, and from that it will increase to 80, 90, like that. Just think any product, for example Horlicks, Boost, all these are advertised like you need to drink, you need your kids need this drinking because it is healthy enough. Just think of uh, 20 years back, the Boost and Horlicks, I remember it was around 60 or 70, 80 rupees, but right now when I checked it was around more than 400, 500 rupees. Just thinking how much the cost has increased in the last 20, 25 years. So this is how the cost will affect you. The same family who has bought 20 years before 70 rupees, now it is available at 400, 450 rupees. So the cost has increased. This is the inflation, and this is for Boost, Horlicks, or whatever. Similarly, for all the groceries, the marginal 2 rupees, 3 rupees increase over a period of time has brought the cost of the dal and all the protein related products and all the coffees and everything has increased. This is inflation. And silently, though the government is saying that the inflation is less than 6% and the last 5 years it is between 4 to 6%. But the point is, only few products comes under the inflation calculation. The most of these Horlicks and all these products, and most of the other petroleum related products, the cost of vegetables and fruits, all these are not brought under inflation. So if you include that, for sure it will be around 7 to 8%. And you need to believe that. Don't believe whatever the inflation data being displayed once in 2 3 months in the newspaper, in the news channels. Just consider how much your cost of spending has increased for normal groceries and normal household items every month. Okay. And remember, as consumerism has increased in the last 20 years or last 15 years, if you look at, once your salary is increased, you would have gone for buying a microwave oven, fridges, washing machine, and all the products in your kitchen, it needs to be replaced. The mixies, grinders, everything needs to be replaced, and we cannot stay away without that, right? And more gadgets in our home, the mobiles and smart TVs. If anything is getting repaired, you need to replace, and this cost is called a replacement cost, and this is the lifestyle inflation, and nobody is including this lifestyle inflation. And to maintain this, you will be paying the AMC, and because of that you need to rewire wirings and all these things, the cost will come. And you may be having the UPS inverter, the cost will increase. All these are cost which is silent and which is increasing your inflation. And second, the normal inflation, lifestyle inflation. Let's talk about the medical inflation. And if you are getting diabetes or asthma or whatever, the medical cost is will increase, and there is an associated risk also. At one point of time, your health may deteriorate, you may get heart attacks, or you may get cholesterol increase, whatever can happen, and the cost of medical inflation will eat you lots of money over a period of time. The best thing to do is, irrespective of the cost, if you are having good products, food related things, if you are eating healthy, so if you're spending, you need to invest on your health. If you're doing that, automatically the medical inflation may not be huge enough. Okay, for that you need to have good proteins in your life, you need to spend good amount of money for eating good food, right? Okay, lots of vegetables include in your daily life. And finally, the education inflation. Everybody are going to get married, and everybody are going to have children. And just look at the cost of education. What you studied 10 years before and what your kids are going to spend is huge. You would have spent the 1 lakh rupees for their entire school and college studies put together. But right now, the LKG student alone is spending 1 lakh rupees. And even the donation cost itself is 1 lakh rupees in the top schools and colleges. And for college, for the 3 years, it may be like you would have spent some few hundreds or thousand rupees 20 years before. Right now, you need to spend at least a few lakhs for sure. So the education inflation is eating. And if your kid wants to go to abroad for better learning, the cost is even higher. And if he wants to study in IIT or better college in your city, the cost is higher. So there are four types of inflation which we discussed today. The first one is normal inflation, which is eating up your money silently month on month. The second one is lifestyle inflation, without which you cannot live because it has increased. And the third point is medical inflation, which is slowly eating up if you're not maintaining your health. And finally, the education inflation. Again, the cost of education is increasing because if you want advanced studies, the cost of education is going to be high. So one thing is, either you can live with it, whatever you earn, live with it, and scribbling about it, or the best point is invest wisely, overcoming the inflation. All these are double digit. The lifestyle, medical, and education inflation are double digit, more than 10% for sure. And normal inflation every month, whatever you are seeing, every 2 months, whatever you're seeing, it is also going to be, it is also double digit, but it has been projected as less than 6% as of now. Okay, if it is increasing, automatically your interest rate will reduce, and implications are high, right? So the most important point is invest wisely. That is a critical point once you understand all these inflation, because whatever you are saving, it is going to deteriorate. And if you are keeping your 100 rupees in your savings account or in your home, next year, considering all the inflation points, your 100 rupees worth just maybe 80 rupees or 85 rupees, deducting the cost of education inflation, medical inflation, lifestyle inflation, and normal inflation. So that is a huge cost which is eating up your money. And please be watchful. So if you need any help, if you need better clarity, post your questions. I'll be happy to share that, clarify that. Thank you so much for watching.